What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back at another video, man. Bring you guys another review. I meet you guys with a lot of B-roll, man, so you can get the feel, the look, see the quality on these kicks. Y'all seen the thumbnail. We're talking about these Air Jordan 8 Women Aquas, man. As y'all know, I passed up on a chance to get the Aqua 8s a while back and then Nike outlets for like $100. I was like, maybe I can get them cheaper. I was just being, I don't know why I didn't cop. So now I'm without the Aqua 8s and now I'm without these two. These things have grown on me. These were sent over by my boy DaRetroWizKid. Shout out to DaRetroWizKid for letting me review these for my subscribers and everybody that want to check out how they feeling these women Aqua 8s, man. These go all the way up to, this is a size 12 and I think it went up to like a size 13 in women's, I believe. It's like a size 12 for men's or 11.5, one of the two. I do know he wore a 10.5 and these are a size 12 in women's, man. So they go up there. They extend a little bit far out there and I was like, man, these things looking clean. We shot them on feet yesterday and they was just looking even more spectacular with that blue denim and with the camo, man. So if y'all not checked out his own feet portion of this shoe, make sure you go check out DaRetroWizKid, man. The link will be in the description box below. Because y'all do know we have a giveaway going on with SkipGoesHard, SneakerAdditionz, me, and DaRetroWizKid giving away a free pair for back to school of cool grade 4s, man. Y'all do know they did a shock drop. And the giveaway rules and the whole giveaway video was based off the shock drop of the cool grade 4. So if you have not checked that video out, you're missing out, man. You're missing out. So go check out that cool grade 4 shock drop video where I gave y'all the details on the giveaway. But I also will link them in the description box below. But for the video, you have to leave your size and your Instagram name on the giveaway videos for each one of the people that's in the giveaway. So that's the simple rules right there. But I do want everybody to take advantage of that giveaway, man. Free kicks for back to school. We're trying to bless, trying to give back to the community, give back to the young ones. Back in the day, I wish I would have got a free pair of nice kicks, man. Especially like these cool grade 4s. So if you want to win a pair, enter yourself to win a free pair, go check out that cool grade 4 shock drop video. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and make sure you hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another post notification, live stream, anything that drops on the channel, you will get notified. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below, along with the giveaway rules, man. So with all that being said, I'm talking y'all head off. Let's get into this quick review over these Air Jordan 8 Aquas, man. Let's get it. Pull both shoes out the box real quick. You can see. And then you got the black tissue paper. You got the same box you got as the 11s that just dropped, the Concord 11s. Even the Concord 11 lows. You got them in the Ray Allen 7s and Milwaukee Bucks 7s, whatever you want to call them. You got them in a couple other kicks this year and last year. They've been dropping this box a lot lately. But here you have it, man. Same box that we just reviewed 2 days ago. And you can see the size tag right here, size 12. Read that right quick. Air Jordan 8 Women Aqua, man. And official colorway is white and varsity red, which I don't see. I barely see red on this kick. They didn't add turquoise or nothing on there. And they retail for $190. Usually we get a cheaper price with the Air Jordans. That's a women's, but they hiked this one all the way up to like regular men's size prices, which is $190, man. But I do believe these will be, you know what I'm saying, hitting the outlets very soon because they're still sitting all on the Sneakers app. And I do not know any shoe stores. I think he hit a Foot Locker in Houston. I know a couple of stores got them, but I do know on Sneakers that if you want to cop, they will be there available for you. If I was you, I would wait a little bit, you know what I'm saying, save you a little bit of bread, especially if you can use like a military discount, a coupon. Go ahead and save your ducats, man. You can get the shoe later, man. Save your bread. Do not have to buy everything on release date. All right, with this shoe, as you can see right here, man, let me turn the brightness down real quick for you guys. As you can see, man, you have an all white upper, man. On the straps right here, as you can see, that cross the shoe, you got your 2-3 right there in that purple colorway. On the side of the shoe, got that Air Jordan, man. We're gonna run through this review very quickly. I don't want this one to be very long. On the other side, you got the Air Jordan, of course. And pull the straps open real quick. Break this shoe down, man. I'm trying to show y'all these details real quick. Like I said, shouts out to DaRetroWizKid for letting me do this for you guys. On the straps right here, you can see you have the purple hits on the straps on the end. They came with white laces, as you can see. They didn't give us any extra laces with this Air Jordan 8. And on the tongue as well, you see that turquoise going all the way up the sneaker, man. As you can see right here, leading up to the tongue, man, you have the 3 different colors. You got the black, you got the purple, and you have the turquoise as well, wrapping around that red jump, man. So check it out right there. Nothing on the back of the tongue, as you can see, just regular purple inner of the shoe. But on the sides, like around the ankle, you have this little design right here, as you can see. I'm gonna hit you guys a B-roll so you can check it out. Around the side of the shoe, you have all these little designs around the sneaker on the inner of the ankle, man. The size of the sneaker on the midsole, as you can see right here, very nice. It's different, man. You know, with the 8, you also gonna get something different on this, and as well as the outsole right here, as you can see, man. You got that varsity red going through there. You got the yellow in there, which I did not see. That's another color that's not listed on the size label. On the top of the outsole, man, you have the red and Jumpman right there. As you can see, that yellow piping all the way down to the little design on the middle of the sneaker, man. That's one of my favorite parts about the 8, man. You always, like I said, you get those different designs on the outsole, and it's gonna stand out. I know not a lot of people gonna see the outsole, but you as a collector, man, you're gonna check out your sneaker. You're gonna see why you like the sneaker, and this is one of the main reasons I like 8s, man. I don't have a lot, but when they throw those different designs at the bottom, man, I always love it. Like I said, on the midsole, you have the little design right here, same as you can see on the insole, wrapping all the way around. You also have like a little yellow hit right here going along with the midsole, which is all turquoise, wrapping around the sneaker, man. Check it out. And it's kind of like a different tone right here, as you can see. That's like a lighter tone. It's like more darker tone. And on the other side of the midsole, you have that same design right here as well, man. This didn't come on any extra laces. You only gonna get the white, which I don't think any other color would look good with this sneaker just because it's predominantly white. You throw another color in there, it's gonna be a bit too much. So let's keep it white, keep it plain. On the tongue, as you can see, it's all turquoise leading up to the Jordan logo. And on the side of the ankle support, man, you have these little perforated holes right here, as you can see, on both sides, along with the inner of the shoe going all the way down the sneaker and the outer of the shoe, man, as well. So very different, you know what I'm saying? I like how they did the Air Jordan 8. It's like, it's a lot different from the 7. So they went out on leap of faith and they did another design from the 7 to the 8. And yeah, this is kind of hard to wear in my opinion as well, and it's hard to lace. I have a couple of different lace styles that I will be doing for you guys. I'm doing Air Jordan 8 lace tutorial very soon to help you guys out that don't know how to lace y'all 8s, because I was the same way like 2-3 years ago. I did not know how to lace them, man. I was just wearing them all strapped up. I was literally wearing them like this, and I was like, hold on, I gotta do something different. So I'm gonna let y'all guys know how I lace my Air Jordan 8s very soon in the upcoming video. Check out the other sneaker right here, man. Of course, it's the same as the left shoe, but I do want to give you guys a little round view of the sneaker. And my thoughts on the shoe is they dope, but as y'all can see, they did sit very hard on the SneakerAdditionz app. So that tells you right now to don't pull the trigger. Just wait on it. Wait till like December time frame. Even next year, I think they still gonna be sitting. You can get these for under retail, man. You do not have to buy all your sneakers on the release date, like I keep trying to stress to you guys. The only reason I do it is because I review it, and if it's sitter, I'm gonna take it back because I can get it later. You understand what I'm saying? So always, you know what I'm saying, try to read the market. If they sitting, don't cop. Let me know how you feel about these Air Jordan 8 Women Aquas. Do you like these pair or the original Aqua men's pair better? Me, I like the Aqua 8s, the men pair better, and I passed on them. I'm so mad I did. But these right here are very different, very spectacular, I would say, just because of colors. And it's white, it's vibrant, and they threw a 3M on the back. So Jordan Brand went all out with this sneaker, man. As you can see with the design. So yeah, that is it for this review. Like I said, let me know if you cop these in the comment section below. Let me know how you feeling about them. I am all open for discussion. I respond to all comments. Take advantage of the giveaway. And if you want to see the on feet portion of these Air Jordan 8 Aquas, I will send you over to my boy DaRetroWizKid's last video he just dropped. So go check that on feet out. It's very dope. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Like the video, comment under the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.